Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights.
Welcome, you beautiful lot. I'm Chris, your host here on Alternative World. Lovely to see you. Hope you have a great day wherever you are in the world. Today, we've got a money-saving tips and ideas video, which is absolutely amazing, and you won't believe what I'm going to say for you. I'm going to tell you how to save up to 50%. Let me check, I'm not dreaming. No, I'm not. Up to 50% on the latest mobile devices, gaming equipment, technology, and it will make you, your friends and family's Christmas amazing, I'm sure. And make sure, as a little treat, you get me a little something, most definitely. I'll tell you about that in a moment, but first of all, I want to tell you, tomorrow, Monday the 14th of November, on the Cheek of It 69 YouTube channel, the sister channel to Alternative World, we've got a brand new, crazy, wacky, naughty, cheeky, alternative adult comedy show from yours truly. I'm former professional stand-up comedian, world famous. Now, I'm the world's only multi-character alternative adult film street comedian and impressionist, TV and YouTube star, also TV producer. And tomorrow's brand new show, I'm going to tell you when the next cash and prize giveaway is for subscribers only to both of my YouTube channels, and the big giveaway, a lovely, lovely gift set for the lady in your life, or you might be the lady already and you can keep it yourself. That will be from our sponsor, the lovely Sophia's Sensations. That's tomorrow on the Cheek of It 69 YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe, come over, join me on the journey and become a part of the family. But let's get on with here on Alternative World. What we're going to do, we're going to go back to a regular Friday upload. The next upload will be on the 18th of November, so that's 5 days away, and we'll go back to the regular weekly uploads, and it's going to be a money saving tips and ideas video. Again, multiple segments, the big show. This is just a quick snippet for you beautiful out there, as you've been driving me crazy for this piece of advice, and now you're going to get it. As soon as I tell you the name of this online company, you're going to know. It's Amazon. Yes, Amazon, that's right. I'm sure we all use Amazon out there. I myself use Amazon Prime. Being a comedian, I need hats, glasses, all types of different stuff very quickly, and I'm a Prime member, and it comes next day, no fuss, and it's here, and I'm away beautifully. So that's why I use Amazon, but you don't need to be a Prime member for this. It's called Amazon Renewed. Go to Google and type in Amazon Renewed. They don't tell a lot of people this, as they want you to pay the full price for the product. But let me just explain. Say, for instance, you order an iPhone and you get it home and you look at it and you think, oh, I don't like this, I'm going to send it back to Amazon. Maybe you paid 1,100 English pounds for it. What they will do, they can't then sell it again as new. So they will give you from 20 to 50% off, and you will buy it as like a second-hand product. But there's nothing wrong with it. If there's any faults or if there's anything wrong with the item, you get 1 year's guarantee where you can send it back to Amazon and they will give you a full refund, no fuss whatsoever. It's an amazing thing to do. I've actually ordered a device, as that's why I didn't upload this video. I've had problems with my devices again, as I keep buying second hand. But I've now gone through Amazon Renewed, and I've saved nearly £400 on a device, which is amazing. And you can save on so many things, you really can. Make sure you let people know so they can all save this Christmas, and it's amazing. It truly, truly is. Make sure you subscribe, like and share, guys, please, on both channels. I can't do it alone. You may not realise I'm giving 30% from my YouTube advertising to a cancer and a mental health charity, which are really close to my heart. They truly are. I want to entertain the world, help people out, and give as much advice and support as I can. I'm a normal person like you, and I can't do it without you. And I really hope this piece of advice has helped you. And I've got some amazing stuff on Friday, which is going to change your life literally around the house and everywhere, and save you so much more money. It really will. So we'll see you tomorrow on the Cheek of It 69 YouTube channel for a brand new comedy show. Make sure you subscribe, like and share, please, guys. And I do love you all. So it's me, Chris, here on Alternative World. I'll see you tomorrow, and I'll make you laugh, guaranteed. Be safe. Take care. Bye for now.
Life is a winding road,